Hi there, and welcome back to another episode of Tech Tuesday. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you know when we upload a new video. As always, I'm MJ, Product Support Manager here at JBS Equipment. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the hubcap on your Low-Rider spreader. This also applies to dump wagons and anything with this type of hub. Let's get to it. So whether you need to remove this hub to adjust or replace some wheel bearings, do some basic maintenance, check out that video linked below, or remove it to service some other stuff, you're going to need some very large tools. I have like a 5-foot pry bar here and the ginormous 4-foot or 3-foot pipe wrench. Anything that goes up to about 6 inches will work just fine. So we're going to take our ginormal pipe wrench here, and I've got some tape on here to minimize scratches. Hook it on here and give it a good push. Now, this nut is standard right-hand thread. So remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Couple good hits with the pipe wrench. There is an O-ring inside of here you're going to kind of feel the resistance as you turn it. So you got to back it off a little bit before you can take it off by hand. Yes, you can feel it. So you're not galling the threads or anything. If you feel resistance, that's normal. And here we go. Boom. This one appears to have been put together with a little bit of silicone. I have also seen O-rings. All right. That's how you remove this hubcap. Installation procedure exactly the same. Put her back on here. Spin it up. Now just flip it around the opposite way. You're going to need to reposition your pry bar here to the opposite side, because now we're turning it the opposite way. Just like that. Now, this doesn't have to be crazy tight, but good and snug. Yes. Give it a good pull. Okay. A little bit of touch-up work with some JBS Blue. Ready to put back into service. Well, that concludes this episode of Tech Tuesday. Be sure to like and follow us on our social media platforms. And if you have a video idea that you'd like to see, drop it in the comments section below. Take care, everyone.